The second commitment is promotion of interreligious harmony. That is sometimes more difficult than the promotion of human values, because the real religion is very much deteriorated. I am not talking other religions. I can authentically say that within the Buddhist tradition, there are great degradation. We have the canon, we have the words, we have the institutions, but the real implementing the Dharma in one's own mind is become less and less. And my late friend, one Roman Catholic padre, very dear friend of mine, Professor Ramon Panikkar, who used to say, religious are originated in the religiousness, and the people develop surrounding it a religiosity, and thereby slowly religions have become religionism. When there is ism, the ego is put in front of it. Then thereby my religion, their religion. My religion is more pure and more perfect than the other religions. So the religions is grasping by the me, by the ego, then there's no more religions left. So the fighting is, the disharmony is among the religionism, not between the religiousness. It's always with the religionism. It's very clear. Now the word is very common, religious intolerance. Religious tolerance should be promoted. The people with great competence speaking like this. Actually, this word is completely contradictory. If someone is religious-minded, he or she can never be intolerant. The person is intolerant, that means the person is not influenced by any religion. Religion and intolerance can never go together. I can speak from Buddhist viewpoint very firmly, and I infer no other religion would promote intolerance. So I have no authority to say, but I infer religion means relating, putting up the connection with the divine. And in that case, how a relating to divine can be a source of intolerance or division? That can never be. Then religious tolerance is also a very bad word. Religions are to be respected, not to be tolerated. I tolerate this religion means I do not like it, but I am just tolerating it. So this kind of word is now using very frequently. So His Holiness has practically tried to promote in the beginning some kind of nearness and intimacy among the religious leaders. And for that he wrote the kinship. The entire title I do not remember. The kinship is one of the books. It's basically deal with the religious harmony.